read that and I was like, oh my God, I'm telling my wife, I'm like, this has got to be an error. All right, real quick. I am going to first apologize for the audio quality on this. My microphone, I can't find my adapter, so I'm using the mic on the DJI Action 4, which is so far, well, this and the Action 3 are my favorite. I don't have but that's not the point of this video. Hey, check it out real quick. If you want to get to something really exciting, skip ahead to about the 6-minute and 30-second mark on this video. You won't be sorry. Trust me. I received a pretty cool correspondence the other day, and I'm looking through my cell phone real quick. I missed a call, sitting down with the family, having dinner. Somebody from California called, and I listened to the voicemail. What's voromotors got to say? Well, they had reached out to me to tell me that my Altis Sigma is coming. Okay, so I spoke to, well, let me rephrase that. I received a text message that says, I'll just read it out loud for you. Hello, Daniel. We wanted to let you know that we now have your order for the Altis Sigma 1919. I didn't get the MX, and it's currently being arranged for shipment. Once the bike has been picked up by the carrier, we'll send you an email confirmation along with the tracking number. For orders set as self-collection, we'll notify you once your order is ready for pickup at the store. Thank you for your patience and have a great day. Jenkin, voromotors. So I read that and I was like, oh my God, I'm telling my wife, I'm like, this has got to be an error because I think I got in on the second wave. I don't think it was October 13th when I ordered. I don't think I got put on the first wave. I've been watching the forums, Reddit. I've also been watching the Facebook group. People are flipping out, freaking out, not knowing when their bikes are going to get here. So I told her, I was like, this has got to be an error. There's no way. This is probably just shipping. It's like an automated error. Everybody got this. So I called the number back and I was on the phone with, I believe, Mike. And Mike was super cool. So he asked me a couple questions. I verified some information and he goes, are you picking up or are we shipping? I was like, shipping. And he's like, oh, cool. He's like, well, just going to let you know, you're going to have your bike before Christmas. I'm like, no way. He goes, yeah, you should see an email in your inbox. I was like, sweet. So I looked, no email. I didn't freak out about it. Last night, I got a little freaked out. Not in a bad way either. I got this email right here. Your order is on the way. So check this real quick. Now keep in mind, guys, I ordered this bike on October 13th and I ordered the red one. Okay. It looks like it's shipping. I mean, I've got all my information. There's a company called Altis that is sending the bike to me. So for those of you wanting to know how much this bike is, it's, they've got their price on it, which is, I think, $54.99. But real quick, I'm going to show you. I ordered, it's going to focus or not, ordered the red one. So $54.99. I sat on it for a week, maybe longer. But I also called voromotors and, let me rephrase. I sent a chat communication into them on their website, which landed me on the phone with them. And they talked to me for, a couple times. And the goal was to get everybody in my family, my wife and my two boys, electric dirt bikes. We don't ride dirt bikes for, recreational, do ride it for recreational, but we've never had them. This is something new to us, and it's a long story how this thing started. I won't go into all that right now, but point being, October 13th was my order date. I ordered the red Sigma. I've watched every video there is on YouTube. I've been scouring, paying attention, just kind of seeing what's going on, thinking, did I make a decision? Because I also, check this out, went on the phone with Voro, almost ordered an E-Ride Pro for my son. He's 12, and my little guy, my 6-year-old, has got a Mototech Demon, the smaller version. So perfect bike for him. We got Ethan the RAR Mantis Mini instead of the E-Ride Pro, which you guys have seen. I've got videos up on both that. And the wife got a Mantis X. She thought that was going to be way too much bike for her. Turns out it is. But I know myself, and I didn't want to at the time spend $12,000, $13,000 on a Stark Varg. So I saw this, I noticed this Altis was being advertised, and Altis Power Sports is a brand new company, but the things that they had on the bike really, really made it to where I was like, this is the one. What were those things? The motor, hairpin motor, the power, everything. Basically, I'm the kind of guy where if this bike will go 100, I need it to go 150, and I'm going to make it go that way. this bike particularly, I think out of the box goes, it's arguable. I'll let you know. Trust me, I'll put a video up. But they say 70 miles an hour. I've seen some people say 80 to 85. I think it depends on your weight, how you got it set up, etc. But I will let you know what the top speed is. But yeah, if it can go 80, I'm going to try to figure out a way to make it go 100, 150, 120, something like that. Whatever. I don't know if it's possible yet, but eventually it will be. So it didn't make sense for me to get a smaller bike because I knew that I'd spend the amount of money upgrading everything I could, controller, battery size, etc., to get a bigger, faster bike. If you're kind of kicking the idea around about getting one of these, when I get mine, you'll know. I will put a video up just like this one, walking everyone through how it is for me. I'm a speed demon. I've been on crotch rockets my entire life. Up until my first son was born, I sold it. I sold my bike, and I haven't gotten another one. But this is kind of scratching the itch for me. And I've been wanting another bike for a long time, but I won't get one because people out there are stupid on their cell phones, Snapchat driving down the road. I mean, we see it all the time, and I don't want to be the casualty of being hit. So will I ride this thing on the street? Absolutely. Will I take it on the highway? Damn right. Am I limited to that? No. We'll be on the dirt quite a bit, out in the trails, doing stuff like that. So follow me as the bike gets closer up to arrival. I will be making videos, posting. My wife and I will be riding. There's going to be tons of content. Altis also agreed to send me a set of rims for this Altis Sigma, and I will be giving them away. As bad as I'd like to keep them for myself, that wasn't the deal we made. So make sure you like all my videos that have to do with e-motos. Subscribe to my channel. When that video comes up, I will select a winner, and you will get those wheels for free. I will ship them to you. You can pick them up, however we decide to do this. Those wheels will come to you, providing Altis, does what they say they're going to do and sends them to me like they're supposed to. But I've been in communication with them. They know I've ordered the bike. And for just a normal Joe consumer, which is quite a bit of their market, I assume, yeah, pretty cool for them to do that. But you'll be getting a review from someone who doesn't ride professionally. This is, again, you're going to look at this video as someone who is like me, amateur, complete amateur, and has no idea what they're getting themselves into. So will this be money well spent or not? We'll see. I already think it is, because everything our family does is together. And the bonding time that we use these things for is well worth it for me. So anyway, that's it. The bike's on its way.